Hello students, we are going to complete our lesson prime numbers. Objectives. Define a prime number. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are natural numbers that have exactly two divisors. So, a prime number is greater than 1. Also, a prime number has exactly two distinct divisors, 1 and itself. Number that is not a prime is called a composite number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 is the only even prime number. Example, indicate whether the number is a prime, composite, or neither. 12 is a composite number since it is divisible by 2 and 3, so it is composite. 13 is a prime number since it is divisible only by 1 and itself. 25 is a composite number since it is divisible by 1 and 5. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 42 is composite number because it is divisible by 2 and 3 and 6. 2 is an even prime number, and 23 also is a prime number since it is divisible by only 1 and itself. 51 is composite because it has divisibles. 81 also composite because it is divisible by 1 and 9. Now try to solve this application, then check your answer. Property number 1. Every natural number is either a prime number or can be expressed as a product of prime numbers. How? Each prime divisor of a number is called a prime factor. What do we mean? Let's take this example. Write each number as a product of prime factors and identify the prime factors. We have the number 18. 18 can be expressed as 2 times 3 times 3. So 18 can be written as 2 times 3 squared. So the prime factors of 18 are 2 and 3. Another example, 25. 25 can be written as 5 times 5. So 5 squared. So the prime factor is 5. 40 is 8 times 5, but 8 is not a prime number, so we can decompose it into 2 times 2 times 2. So 40 is equal to 2 cubed times 5, and the prime factors of 40 are 2 and 5. Decomposition of a natural number using the ladder method. The prime factor ladder is a visual method to find a number's prime factors by dividing it step by step by prime numbers until the quotient is 1. Here is an example to show how we can use the ladder method. We have the number 180, so we draw the ladder, then we divide 180 by using only the prime numbers. So the unit digit of 180 is 0, so it is divisible by 2. 90 is divisible by 2. 45 is divisible by 3 because the sum of its numbers is 9. 15 is divisible also by 3. And 5 is divisible only by itself because it is a prime number, and thus the quotient is 1. So 180 can be written as 2 squared times 3 squared times 5, and thus the unit or the prime factors of 180 are 2, 3, and 5. Another example, we have here 385. So we draw the ladder, then we divide 385 by 5 because the unit digit of 385 is 5. Then the answer gives us 77 is divisible by 7, and 11 is a prime number which is divisible by itself. So the quotient is 1. Thus 385 is 5 times 7 times 11, and the prime factors are 5, 7, and 11. Here are some applications on ladder method. Try to solve them, then correct your answers.